I'm not talking to you, Cheyenne. Busy. Trying to watch dang on fireworks. Why don't you just sing? Oh, this is better.
Yeah, close to get. Right now we're just sitting here.
That ain't even none showing. I'm gonna keep this up like this. This is hurting my arm. I think I just got them. I got them! Got the mama!
Damn.
You see
I don't know when we're going to get there, though.
Dad,
We're just sitting right now.
I know. We're backed up traffic right now, so we don't know when we're gonna be home.
Yeah, we're just sitting right now.
We're just sitting here right now.
That's because of this show going on up there at the battlefield.
I
They're
wish,
making cool fireworks soon.
yes, sir. I wish you were in the car with us. You could see them. You hear them? Yep, they're having a show right now. There's people even walking down the road too, trying to watch
Yep.
them.
They're everywhere. They're all lined up down through here watching them.
Yep. I would do the video on my phone, but I can't.
It's better to do it on mine because I can send it straight to YouTube.
Yep. Are you gonna send it to YouTube?
Yeah, I'll put it with my YouTube videos.
Alright. Yeah, they just said there was gonna be expected delays here.
Yeah,
down
it's
here
got
today.
it up there.
That's what it said yesterday.
July 4th fireworks, I think. Expect delays.
Let me go over here on
Are you
your
kidding?
Here, can you record it?
Yeah, I'm trying to drive here.
You can. Dad said, "Are you sure?" And he was laughing too.
Uh-huh.
He said, "Uh-huh." Can you get
Kind
it?
of.
Okay.
All right, here, you're going to have to take it. I'm moving a little bit.
July 4th fireworks. I love the 4th of July. It's when they do all them fireworks. I bet you Evie and them are doing fireworks right now. They usually do on 4th of July.
I didn't know what about them, but I don't know how to do them.
Excuse me. I'm not going to use the bathroom outside, and I didn't even have to go to the bathroom. I used the bathroom before I left. I'm trying to get some of my milkshake. Ah. Okay. But this is a show.
No, not bad. Not too much.
Ow! I bit my mouth. And I know what Dad was going to say. Do it again, I didn't feel it.
That's right.
But I knew you were thinking it, and I knew you were going to say it. You stay on top. I'm enjoying this. Oh, there we go. I got them.
Yep. Those are cool.
I know. Aren't these better than that one time at Rhonda's? Aren't these better than that time?
Well, yeah, these are professionals doing this, Cynthia.
And Rhonda ain't a professional.
You're not understanding what I'm saying.
I know what you're saying. This is something. I'm going to be sitting here for a little while.
There's no drink in it.
Right here. Hold that. Is that good?
Uh-huh. Get this.
Hold on. Let me get some red light. I thought I was going to be getting it.
Here, I'm driving.
Hold on, Mom.
Well, hurry up. There's some more going on. I was trying to get them, but it's so hard to do when you're driving.
I'm getting them. Dad, you should be in the car right now. You should have went with us today. Down. I'm serious, Daddy. You should have came with us because you could be in the car right now watching these. They're awesome. I wish you were in the car, actually. Oh, I got them, Mom. Look, you see them on there?
Good.
I got them.